Hi, today we're going to walk through how to apply to Winthrop University as a first-time freshman. Let's get started. First, go to apply.winthrop.edu/apply. First-time users will need to create an account. Type in your email, first name, last name, and birth date. Please note that it is best to use a personal email address instead of one associated with your current school. Then click Continue. You will then receive an email with a temporary PIN to authenticate your application. Type in your PIN and birth date, then click Login. If you do not receive a PIN number, check your junk or spam folder. You must create a password to log into your application portal. It must contain at least one letter, one capital letter, one number, and 12 characters. Once created, click Set Password. This page will show any active applications you have under your email. To start an application, click Start New Application. Then, select the year in which you would like to start at Winthrop University. For example, if you would like to start classes in fall 2025, you would choose the 2025 application. Once you have selected the correct application, click Create Application and then Open Application. Complete your personal background. Do not enter NA or none into fields for which you do not have information. It is better to leave these blank. When you are finished, click Continue. Next is enrollment information. If you are a high school senior, click First-Time Freshman. Even if you were enrolled in dual enrollment, you are still considered a first-time freshman. Complete the rest of the form, including when you would like to enroll, your desired major, and any interest in pre-professional programs. If you are enrolled in dual enrollment, please choose Yes when asked if you have completed or will complete coursework at a college or university while in high school. If you are unsure about your desired major, you can choose Undeclared and decide later. Moving along to academic history. Here, you will add the schools that you have attended by clicking Add Institution. High school seniors should only list the high school which they will graduate from as their high school, and add any colleges where dual enrollment credit was taken as undergraduate and select dual enrollment credit as the degree. Be sure to enter the dates of attendance for your high school and colleges attended. Then, click Continue. Continue to high school senior courses in progress. Here, list all the courses that will be taken during your senior year of high school and then click Continue. Here is where you will choose to apply with your test scores or without your test scores, also known as test optional. If you choose to apply with your test scores, please select No and then click Continue. If you choose to apply without your test scores, please select Yes. Next is the Honors Program. This program requires completion of at least 24 hours of honors courses, a senior honors scholarly project, and a service learning course or project. If you would like to apply for the honors program, select Yes, then upload a short 500-word essay in response to the provided prompt. If you are not interested, select No. Qualified students will be invited to apply to the honors program even if you do not elect to apply at the time of admission. Next is your parent or guardian information. Please enter in all the information you can. If you are unsure or do not know, please leave the field blank instead of entering NA or none. Please note that we communicate with parents using the email addresses provided on your application. So, if you do not wish for us to communicate with a parent, please do not enter their contact information. The additional information is next. This is where you can add information about family members that previously attended Winthrop, as well as information on extracurricular activities, clubs, community service, instrumental interests, religiously affiliated clubs or activities, and more. Once finished, click Continue. The certification page confirms the application you have completed is accurate, complete, and without omission. Place your signature by typing your full legal name and then click Continue. You will then be taken to the review page to check for any errors or incomplete information. Any items that still need to be completed will give you a link back to the page where the information can be entered. You can save for later or submit your online application. While your online application is complete, there are a few more items we will need to review your application. If you chose to apply test optional or without test scores, we will need your unofficial transcripts. It can be uploaded directly to your application portal or emailed to admissions@winthrop.edu. If you choose to apply with your test scores, we will need your unofficial transcript uploaded to your application portal or sent via email to admissions@winthrop.edu, as well as your official ACT and/or SAT scores sent directly from the testing agency. To get your scores sent to us, you must contact your testing agency to have them send your scores. Your school counselor can also submit a copy of the high school score report. Your counselor can email them to admissions@winthrop.edu. Please note that we cannot accept copies of your student score report. Once we have all these items, your application is complete. If you need to update any information or check the status of your application, you can log back in at apply.winthrop.edu/apply by clicking Login under Returning Users. Please note that electronic copies of your decision letters and any scholarship or financial aid notification are released in the application portal, so it is important that you remember your login information. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Office of Admissions at admissions@winthrop.edu or at 803-323-2191, and we will be happy to assist you. We look forward to receiving your application. Go Eagles!